Recording in progress.
Hello, my name is Wahid Lutfi. Today, I'm going to explain to you how we're going to just show some of the World Cup 2022 in Qatar images. So we can just show the schedule and some of the World Cup trophy itself, and as well as and the two superstar, Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo. So let's Cristiano Ronaldo. So let's just look at the first schedule. We're going to just print the string schedule here. And then once we print that one, basically we run it and it lists here, the image. And then this is the image, basically the 8 groups that are there, Group A through Group H. Today, Qatar and Ecuador played. And Ecuador scored 2 goals and they won 2-0. And then tomorrow there's going to be Group B matches. So we will be observing the best teams and best sportsmanship team, that they are not fouling and not doing anything, but they're playing real soccer and winning by playing real soccer. That's my favorite team, that actually wins by strength of the technique and tactique of and then the time that they spend on practicing together and everything, rather than cheating on each other and fouling and making a dive, as you guys have seen those situations in World Cup a lot. But part of the game is that this is a physical game, so you have some fouling from time to time, but you have to win it like a real winner, not just by cheating on the opponent team and get away with it, like sometimes it happened in the past. So let's get to the Python program, and we're going to just look at the URLs. So I have a list here, URLs here, which is a list. If I just print the type of it, I can say print type of URLs, and then that would just tell me that there's a list. You can see it is a class list. And then I'm going to make a comment. I don't need to comment that one. I'm just going to use a for statement now for URL, which is a one variable, like an item, and URLs, which is the list. I want to print the URL. So for each of the list and the URL, I want to print it to get the image screen here. So the first one we looked at the schedule was this one. Well, I'm going to go back here and then click on the second one. When I click on the second one, you can see that it is the World Cup and the soccer ball in Qatar, and that was a very nice image here. And then the third one is also showing the World Cup, and then it says Qatar 2022. So as you can see, this is done in a different timing. It's November now. Usually it is done at summertime because of the heat. They schedule it so it's not too hot for players, which is nice. So here I'm going to look at the last picture, which is my two favorite stars that obviously Diego Maradona and Pelé were the superstars before these guys. And these guys are just keeping up the stage to the highest level. And then like Maradona and Pelé, that they become friends at the end. And they just, I believe Cristiano Ronaldo already mentioned that we can get along as well. And they have been getting along on the field, disregard to how competitive for both of them are. But they have been very great gentlemen, as well as great soccer players. So off of the field and inside the field, then I really enjoy watching both of them. They're best characters for children to use them as role model and learn from them and get to play soccer. So unfortunately, Cup, which is their last one, and if it is there, this regard, they will be in the history of soccer forever as GOAT or greatest of all time. So and they are greatest of all time: Pelé, Maradona, John Cruyff, Beckenbauer, Messi, and Cristiano Ronaldo. Among all the names that I mentioned, I believe the four, Pelé and Beckenbauer, no, I'm sorry, Pelé and Maradona and Messi and Cristiano are the toppest one there. Although there's other players from Portugal. Eusebio was also one of the greatest players. There's a lot to mention, but these are the top four, and that I would think that they are in the highest rate. You're welcome to make comments on the notes that who is your favorite star and what is the reason. You are welcome to make some comments as well on this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice one. Take care. God bless you all.